everyone, Chef Eric here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe down below and hit the like button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple rough puff pastry. So for this recipe, you're going to need some all-purpose flour, some ice cold water, some salt and cold butter. Here I have 250 grams of unsalted cold butter. Yes, you can use margarine as long as you chill it overnight. We'll start by adding our all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. And to this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a mix. And to my flour, I'm going to add my butter and rub it in between my fingers and toss it in the flour. Once or most of your butter is fully incorporated, it's nice to have a few chunks here and there. We now want to start adding in our ice cold water. So make a well in the center of your dough and add in 5 tablespoons of ice water. This is not a precise measurement, just add it until the dough comes together. Once your dough has come together, I divided mine into 2 even discs. We're now going to chill this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Once you've chilled your dough for about half an hour, we want to roll it out and fold it into quarters. We'll be doing this rolling and folding for the last 3 times. This is the last and final 4th roll and fold. The folding and rolling we've been doing is creating layers of butter and dough, and should give us a really flaky pastry. So for this cake, we're doing 2 different types of fillings. We're doing a cinnamon filling and we're also doing a chocolate ganache filling. We'll start by doing the cinnamon filling. So here I have about 2 or 3 tablespoons of soft unsalted butter, and to this I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of sugar, along with some cinnamon, and give it a mix. For our chocolate filling, I'm going to start by melting 50 grams of dark chocolate and add about a 1/4 cup of cold heavy cream and mix it together.